Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Box for secure document collaboration, full guide step by step clearly. Visit the Box website at box.com. Locate the sign up button at the top right corner of the homepage. Click on the sign up button. Choose between a personal account or a business account based on your needs. If you select personal, enter your email address and create a password. If you choose business, you may need to provide additional information about your organization. Fill in all required fields, ensuring accuracy in your details. Review and accept Box's terms of service and privacy policy. Click on the Continue button to proceed. Check your email for a verification message from Box. Open the email and click on the verification link provided. Once verified, return to the Box website and log in with your email and password. Navigate your dashboard to familiarize yourself with the interface. Click on the Upload button to add documents for collaboration. Select the files you want to upload from your device. After uploading, click on the file to open its details. Use the Share button to invite others to collaborate on your document. Enter the email addresses of your collaborators in the sharing options. Customize the permissions for your collaborators, such as view or edit access. Send the invitation by clicking Send. Encourage your collaborators to create a Box account if they don't have one. Explore additional features to enhance your collaboration experience, such as comments and tasks. Regularly check the activity feed to stay updated on changes made to your documents. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.